Gems! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Erwell and I am your virtual tutor. Okay, so here I am again. Magsasalita na naman ako. At magkukunwari akong meron akong mga estudyante sa harap ko because that's how I teach you in my YouTube channel. Okay? Before anything else, I would like to do a shout out kay Antonio Gabriel Indradora Digamo. Dati po siyang STIer and ngayon naka-enroll po siya sa Manila Taytana Colleges. Okay, actually natuwa ako sa kanya guys kasi one day I received a private message from this person. Actually hindi ko siya kilala personally. Nakatanggap lang ako ng message from him telling me na natutuwa siya sa panunood ng mga videos ko and then telling me na sana yung explanation ko daw is in Filipino or in Taglish para mas lalo daw niyang maintindihan. And so, starting today, I will be doing it. And then, ito po guys yung sinabi niya sa isa sa mga messages niya sa akin. Sana ikaw yung teacher na nag-handle sa mga universities, especially colleges. Alam nyo guys, natuwa talaga ako sa kanya. And this really pushed me to continue doing this one. Kasi meron pala akong nai-inspire na mga tao, meron akong nai-inspire na mga estudyante. So, here I am. So, in this video, I will be explaining all about prime factorization. Okay, so what is this prime factorization? So, this is in connection to the last topic that we discussed, which is all about prime and composite numbers. Okay, so hindi ko maiwasan magsalita in English, no? But I'll try my best to explain math lessons in Filipino, not purely Filipino, but a combination of English and then Filipino. Kasi some mathematics words naman talaga is walang direct translation in Filipino. I think mahirapan ako, but then I'm going to try my best. Okay, so prime factorization. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, prime factorization, this topic is in connection to ano ba yan? In connection doon sa huling topic na diniscuss natin, which is all about prime and composite numbers. Okay, so prime factorization. Ano ba tong prime factorization na to? Anong gamit nito? Saan natin ito pwedeng gamitin sa pag-aaral natin sa mathematics? Okay, Tagalog ng mathematics is sipnayan. Okay, so prime factorization, this is a process of finding which prime numbers multiplied together result to the given number. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Let's have an example here. Okay, by the way, there are two methods for us to find the prime factorization of a number. Okay, so the first method is the factor 3 method. Okay, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung sulat ko ha, kasi minsan nagiging doktor ako. Minsan artist ako, minsan doktor. Okay, lagi kong sinasabi yan sa mga estudyante ko when I was still teaching inside the classroom. Alam nila yan. Okay, the second method is the continuous method. Continuous division, rather. Yan, nagsimula na ako maging doktor. Okay, first method is factor 3 and then the second method is continuous division. Okay, unahin natin si factor 3 method. Anong ginagawa for us to find the prime factorization of a certain number using factor 3 method? Okay, so let's start. For factor 3 method, let's have an example here. Halimbawa, yung given number natin is 64. Our task here is to find the prime factorization ng 64. Okay, so method 1 na gagamitin natin will be factor 3. So, gagawin natin we will be using or gagamit tayo ng inverted V. Okay, so pag nasa ganito na tayo, mag-iisip tayo ng dalawang numbers, pair of numbers, na kapag minultiply natin, makukuha natin yung 64. Okay, siguro maiisip natin 8 times 8. 8 times 8 will give us 64. Okay, so since we're looking for the prime factors, prime factorization ng 64, ibig sabihin hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Why? Because 8 is not a prime number yet. So we have to continue the process. Again, gawa na naman tayo ng inverted V rito for both 8. Then, mag-iisip na naman tayo ng dalawang numbers na kapag minultiply natin, makukuha natin yung 8 na sagot. So, we can have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 din sa isa. 4 times 2. Factor 3. Nagmumukha siya ngayong puno para siyang pine tree. Okay. Next, we already know that 2, alam natin na yung 2, prime number na siya. So, meaning to say, etong branch na to, tapos na. Stop na tayo dyan. We don't need to find two numbers again na kapag minultiply is makukuha natin tong number na to because 2 is already a prime number. Okay, so 4, hindi pa siya prime number, so we have to continue. Let's have again inverted V's here. So for 4, we can use 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So, lahat ng prime numbers, mga FEMs, na nasa dulo, bibilugan natin. Ibig sabihin, tapos na tayo dyan. Okay, so tingnan natin itong figure na to, or itong illustration na to. Kung makikita natin, lahat ng mga nasa dulo, puro 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung prime factorization ng 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, ilang 2's meron tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So, sabi natin kanina, yung prime factorization is isang proseso ng paghahanap ng mga prime numbers na kapag minultiply natin, makukuha natin yung given number, which is 64 in this case. Okay, tingnan natin. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 4 times 2 will give us 16. 4 times 2 will give us 32. Then, 32 times 2 will give us 64, which is the given number here. Okay. Klaro po ba? Or kailangan pa natin ng isang example? Eh, paano sir? Well, kung hindi 8 times 8 yung naisip ko, pwede rin kaya yon. Okay, tingnan natin. For 64, what if hindi 8 times 8 yung unang pumasok sa isip mo for 64? Tingnan natin. So, pwedeng, let's say, naisip mo is 16 times 4. Hindi 8 times 8, kagaya nung ginawa natin nung una. So, tingnan natin kung parehas pa rin yung sagot. Okay. For 16, it's not yet a prime number. So, we still need to find pair of numbers for 16. So, that would be 4 times 4. Tama? Next, 4. Etong tatlong 4, hindi pa yan tapos. Still, we have to find for the pair of numbers na kapag minultiply natin, will get 4 or will result to 4. So, we can use 2 times 2 sa tatlong 4 na to. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Okay. So, yan na. Ilang 2 meron tayo ngayon sa dulo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Which is the same dun sa una nating ginamit, which is 8 times 8. So, still, the prime factorization of 64 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Ilang 2's meron tayo? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parehas lang ng una. Or, in an exponential form, pwede natin siyang isulat as 2 to the 6th power. Okay? Klaro. So, kung naisip mo is 32 times 2, dun sa una, for 64, still, you will be getting the same answer. Ibig sabihin, yung prime factorization ng isang number is parehas lang kahit ano pa yung unang dalawang pair of numbers na ginamit mo. Parehas pa rin yung kahantungan. Okay, nakuha po ba? Okay, so one more number for the factor 3 method. Let's say we have here 100. Okay. Second number will be 100. Okay, so what's the first pair of numbers na naisip mo pag 100 yung pinag-uusapan natin? So, pwede mong gamitin 50 times 2. Pwedeng gamitin 25 times 4. Pwedeng gamitin 10 times 10. So, we have 3 factor pairs na pwedeng gamitin for 100. 50 times 2, 25 times 4, 10 times 10. Oh, meron pa. Meron pa ba? 5 times 20, pwede rin. Okay, ano pa? 25 times 4, nasabi ko na kanina. Okay? So, dun sa mga sinabi nating pair of numbers, alin dun yung pinakamaganda sa tingin mo na gagamitin natin? So, I think in this case, yung best na pair of numbers na pwede natin gamitin will be 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Then, let's continue the process. 10, hindi pa yan prime number. So, we still have to use or continue this one using inverted V. So, 10 times 10, we can use 5 times 2. And then, for the other 10, let's do the same thing, 5 times 2. Okay, so alam natin na yung 5, tsaka yung 2 are both prime numbers na. Diba? Dun sa previous topic natin or previous discussion natin, yung 5 tsaka 2 are both prime numbers already. So, stop na tayo dyan. Let's encircle them. Okay, so ngayon, since nahanap na natin yung mga prime factors ng 100, so the prime factorization now of 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So let's check. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 5 will give us 20. 20 times 5 will give us 100. So this is it. Or pwede rin natin itong isulat as in exponential form, 2 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 2. So, meron tayong dalawang 2s dito, meron tayong dalawang 5s dito. So, 2 to the second power times 5 to the second power, or 2 squared times 5 squared. So, para-parehas lang yung mga yon. Okay, question or clarification? I think okay na tayo sa factor 3 method. Then, let's proceed now to the second method, which is continuous division. Okay, so paano naman ginagawa itong method na to for us to find the prime factorization of a number? Okay, so let's have here example number 1. First number, let's say we're going to have 56. Find the prime factorization of 56 using continuous division. Okay, in this case, we will be using the inverted division sign. Kung kanina inverted V, this time inverted division sign. Ito. So, find the prime factorization of 56 using continuous division. Inverted division sign. Okay, so una nating gagawin will be mag-iisip tayo ng isang prime number na kapag dinivide yung 56 dun sa prime number na yon, walang remainder. Okay, ano yung pwede nating maisip na number? Okay, 56 is divisible by 2. And 2 is a prime number. So, pwede. Walang remainder kapag dinivide natin yung 56 sa 2. Okay, so kapag dinivide natin yung 56 sa 2, ano yung magiging result? So, magiging result will be 28. So, 56 divided by 2 will give us 28. Then, 28, hindi pa prime number yan. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, tuloy yung proseso. Use again another inverted division sign. So, 28, mag-iisip na naman tayo ng isang prime number. Ano kayang pwedeng gamitin na kapag dinivide yung 28 sa prime number na yon, walang remainder? Okay, I think 2 ulit. Then, kapag dinivide natin yung 28 sa 2, ano yung magiging kalalabasan? That will give us an answer which is 14. Okay? So, 14 is not yet a prime number. So, tuloy. Ano na naman yung prime number na pwedeng gamitin to divide 14 without remainder? I think 2. So, 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. And we all know that 7 is already a prime number. It has exactly 2 factors, 1 and then 7 itself. So, ibig sabihin, tapos na yung proseso natin. So, lahat ng numbers na nasa labas, yun na yung mga prime factors ng 56. At yun na yung gagamitin natin for the prime factorization of 56. So, ano yung prime factorization ngayon ng 56? 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So, ilang 2s meron tayo? 1, 2, 3. So, pwede natin siyang isulat into an exponential form. So, 2 raised to 1, 2, 3. Okay, raised to 3 times 7. So, double check natin. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 times 7 will give us 56. Okay? Klaro? What if, Sir Well, ito yung ginamit ko. Tingnan natin, ha. What if hindi 2 yung ginamit ko for 56? What if 7 yung naisip ko for 56? Pwede rin. 56 divided by 7 will give us 8. Then, 8 is not yet a prime number. Tuloy yung proseso. 8, pwedeng gamitan ng 2. So, 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Then, 4 is not a prime number yet. Tuloy. Gamitan ulit ng 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So, tapos na tayo. Because 2 is already a prime number. So, ano yung prime factors again? Meron tayong 2, 2, 2, tatlong 2, tsaka isang 7. Which is 1, 2, 3, tsaka 7 na to. So, parang factor 3 lang din, na kung ano yung unang ginamit mo, as long as tama yon, then, pupunta ka pa rin sa tamang sagot. So, ngayon, I already discussed yung etong dalawang methods na to using factor 3 and then continuous division. Then, it's your decision kung alin sa dalawang ito ang madaling gamitin para sa'yo. So, hindi naman kasi importante na sa isang activity, dalawang methods talaga yung gagamitin natin. So, it's up to you. I introduced to you the two methods. It's up to you to choose alin sa dalawang methods na to ang madaling gamitin. Madaling gamitin, komportable kang gamitin kasi naiintindihan mo at madali ring gawin para sa'yo. Okay? Nakuha po ba? Meron po ba tayong mga katanungan? So, kung meron pong katanungan, huwag pong kalimutan na isulat lang po sa comment section sa baba, and then I'm very much willing to give you my answer immediately. Pag nakita ko yung comment mo at meron kang clarification, meron kang question, then I'll get back to you immediately. Sasagutin ko po yung kaagad. Okay? Para maging clear talaga lahat at hindi ka mako-confuse at talagang 100% maintindihan or naintindihan mo. May tanong po ba? Wala na? Before natin i-end tong video na to, I'll just give you first the first 10 prime numbers. Okay, ano yung unang 10 prime numbers na meron tayo when we count from least to greatest, mula sa pinakamababa pataas. Okay, so yung pinakaunang prime number is 2. 2 yung even na prime number, katangi-tanging even na prime number, at ito yung pinakamababang prime number. Okay? Okay, next to this is, 3. Next to 3 is 5. Next to 5 is 7. Next to 7 is 11. Okay, baka naiisip nyo na in this pattern, mga odd numbers tong mga to. Okay, 9 is not a prime number. Why? Kasi meron siyang 3 times 3. Hindi lang 1 times 9. Meron siyang 3 times 3. Kaya 9 is not a prime number. Okay, next to 11 is 13. Yung 15, hindi rin siya prime number kasi meron siyang 3 times 5. Okay, next to 13 is 17. Next to 17 is 19. So, ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next to 19, okay, yung 21, hindi siya prime number kasi meron siyang 3 times 7. Okay, next to 19 is 23. Okay, next to 23, okay, yung 25, hindi siya prime number kasi meron siyang 5 times 5. Then, 27, hindi rin prime number kasi meron siyang 3 times 9. Then, next to 23 is 29. Okay, 29. So, ito yung first 10 prime numbers mula sa pinakamababa pataas. So, kung itutuloy natin yung paglilista, mga FEMS, marami pa to. Marami pa. Okay, pero yung unang 10 prime numbers lang muna yung ibibigay ko sa inyo para, kasi ito yung usual lang naman na ginagamit kapag ginagamit natin yung second method, which is continuous division. Okay? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, so on. Pag tinuloy pa natin, or so forth. Marami pa. Okay? So this time I will be giving you an activity. I will be giving you five numbers, five composite numbers, and your task is to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. Then, this time, hindi ko mga FEMS ibibigay yung tamang sagot. Okay, kasi meron akong gustong ipagawa sa inyo or game para sa video na to. Okay, hindi ko ibibigay yung tamang sagot at the end of this video. Magbibigay lang ako ng activity na sasagutan nyo, and then yung gagawin nyo is sasagutan nyo yung activity na yon, and then you have to take picture of your answers, and then ilalagay nyo sa comment section. Titingnan ko po yun. Okay, then doon sa magko-comment at magbibigay sa akin ng picture ng sagot nyo, kung sino doon yung unang lima na makakakuha ng tamang sagot, I will be giving you 50 pesos load each. Okay, bawat isa sa inyo, bibigyan ko ng 50 pesos load. Okay, ito yung perks ng panunood ng video ko from the beginning up to the end of the video. Okay, so parang ano ko lang to sa inyo, parang anong tawag nito? Gift, dahil pinanood niyo yung video ko since the beginning up to the end. Okay, again, huwag kalimutan, take picture of your answers, and then paste it on the comment section. Then titingnan ko po yun agad. So yung first 5 na makakakuha ng tamang sagot, I will be giving you 50 pesos load each. So ilalagay nyo din po doon yung number nyo, or ako mismo magre-reply sa inyo to ask your number. Ibig sabihin, kayo po yung 5 nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay? So, again, wag pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Wag pong kalimutan i-like or i-dislike kung gusto nyo, kasi hindi nyo naman talaga nintindihan tong topic na to, walang problema sa akin. Or kahit magbibigay kayo ng negative comment po dyan, walang problema. I would take it positively. I would take it as constructive criticism for me to improve the way I speak, the way I explain, and then the way I introduce everything into my YouTube channel. Okay, so wag din pong kalimutan i-press yung notification bell button para maging updated kayo sa mga topics na i-discuss ko pa at i-upload ko pa in the future. So, again, nagsisimula pa lang ako mga FEMS from the basic. Kasi ayoko rin namang mag-discuss ng mga topics na medyo komplikado, medyo mahirap kung hindi nyo naintindihan yung basic. Kasi natatandaan nyo yung sinabi ko na yung study ng mathematics is just like constructing a building. Pag hindi mo naintindihan yung basic, hindi mo maintindihan yung mga kasunod na topics. Kasi yung dinidiscuss na topic ngayon is a prerequisite of the topic na i-discuss sa mga susunod na araw. Ibig sabihin, kakailanganin nyo ngayon para sa mga susunod. Parang itong prime factorization, so bakit ko kailangan i-discuss to? Kasi gagamitin to kapag diniscuss na yung greatest common factor or least common multiple in the future. Okay? So, that would be all. Again, my name is Sir Well, and I am your virtual tutor. Have a good day. God bless you all.